Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tiffany & Co. model TF3066 in color code 6105/4Z. It's a Rubedo-Rose gold color. The lenses are a gray rose gold mirror color, and they have the Tiffany & Co. logo engraved in the top left. The temples have a gold Tiffany & Co. logo. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. This is the other side of the temple. The lenses are RXable. Up here we have a Tiffany & Co. gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.